Hello students, welcome back to your art class. So I will continue from where we stopped in the previous class. I hope you all have made this drawing of a sunflower. It is not that you have to have exactly like this because flowers have a natural way to bloom. What we need to learn is how to make it. Okay, so I hope you've understood how to make the leaves and the petals. And I had already told you that practice it in a rough sheet. A rough sheet could be any sheet. Okay, so today, and also you can take any colors that you have. We will need basically yellow, orange, light brown, dark brown, light green, dark green for the leaves. You could have pencil colors, crayons, plastic colors, anything. I will show you with all of them, but whatever you have at home, you can do it with that, right? Okay, so let us say that we are making any petal. One petal that you're going to do, in that the first coating that you will do, and if you recall, the first assignment that we did was about shading and tones only. So you already remember that what we need to do is give it a first coloring. Remember girls, we did this, that we have to do coloring first, right? After that, we will start using our next color orange and give a little bit of a strokes and shading, right? And we will also give it an outline with a color only. We will not use black micro tip pen or gel pen to give an outline. We will just give it an outline like here, like this. Okay? Yes, right now I'm using plastic colors. I'll show you with crayons and oil paste color pencils also. But the technique is going to be the same. Then we will take a brown or maybe a red to give it a little bit of a more highlight. That a little bit of a darker tone, and then over it we will go back again with a yellow, right? We will do this with all the petals, and with a dark brown we will go and give it a little bit of a darker outline to it. That will look very nice. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it, and this you can do with your color pencils, with your anything. Now suppose we are going back to that circle, we are going back to our petals there, right? I'm making it a little bigger and bolder so that you can see it. Now for this, what you need to do, for this what we can do is we can use whatever colors we have. Like suppose here I am going to color my basic color. First I will start for the inner circle. I will give it a coloring of a basic yellow. But inside, if you remember or you recall, a yellow has a brownish greenish effect. So, and it is not all green. So what we will do is we will give, small lines. We will make small lines like this, so that the base color is also showing and the other color also comes out. We are just going to fill it up. We are going to use the second color, which is brown, and we are going to give it a little bit of a, just filling up basically, right? And with the next brown or a red color, we could just give it a spot, stippling technique effect. So when we give that stippling effect, it will give that raised effect, a little bit of a, so that texture will come, which comes in the center of the sunflower. If you see it closely, can you make out, girls, that texture is coming? So basically that yellow is also there, green is also there, but you can't identify that, okay, this is just green or this is just yellow, right? Have you all understood? Good. And coming back to the petal, again, if you're using crayons, our first basic color is yellow. We will go in one direction. We will go in one direction. Then we will take our orange. We will give it a little bit of a shading with the help of strokes. We'll give it a little bit of outline. and we will treat each petal individually. Beta, you will not color the entire flower in one go. You're big students now, and now you will treat each petal. You will do each petal individually. Right? Have you all understood? So I have showed you with plastic crayons, with crayons, and in this flower, again, when you use your color pencils or anything that you would like to, basically your first step would be to color the inner circle. The inner circle that we had made first, you will give it a basic coloring. You will fill up the color there. Then we will go with the next color, and as I said, we could just give it a little bit of a texture. We are just adding color by giving it a little bit of a texture. We're going in one direction only. Please enjoy your work. It will take a little bit time, but whatever you will make, you will really like it. I am certain of that, because it will be your work. You will definitely enjoy, and you'll be proud of yourself. And rest assured, you will do wonderful. Don't feel, oh, that girl did so nice, that girl made so nice. Your work is your work, and it will be very nice. And there's always scope of improvement. Right? We did this, and then with the next brown color, we will again give a little bit of a same effect, but just to fill it up. Crayons are a little faster medium, but if you have color pencils at home, that is why I am showing you with all the 3 effects that you have at home. I don't want you to ask Papa, Mama to go and buy me that, or because ma'am did it with that. You can do it with, but yes, you can do it with sketch pens. Sketch pens are not easy to blend, to mix. Even in color pencil, the lines, you know, the texture, we're giving it a little bit of a outer line. Of course, it won't be just an outline, like a straight outline, but we're giving a texture as well, and we are giving it a firm effect. Why am I going like this? Because the center of the sunflower has a little bit of a texture. So you could just go on filling it up and giving it a texture, right? Then coming to the petal, oh sorry, coming to the petal, my first color will be the base color. After that, I will take my second color will be orange color. And I will give a little bit of an outline. Then I will take maybe red, brown, any, just to highlight it. Even if I use red, I could use red also. Red gives a little bit of a highlight to it, but we are not going to color the entire red. We're just using it to highlight it, right? And then a little bit of a outline with the darker tone, and finally doing it all over again with the yellow because it's the sunflower. So we are treating each petal individually. Just remember, we are going to treat each petal individually. We are not going to color it like this, all is yellow, so let me color all is yellow. I hope all these three techniques are understandable to you. With crayons also you can do, with anything. And for your leaves, now coming to your leaves. Yes, again as I said, you must practice how to make leaves. Leaves and petals are the same shape. You could make like this, you could practice a lot of leaves. And coming to how to color them, one tone of the lightest of yellow, because that yellow brings a lot of freshness to the leaf. But leaves are generally in green in color. So prominent would be the green. If they are fresh leaves, we make a little bit of a more yellow, so it makes it a lemon green. See girls, if you see, it hardly takes much of a time, but if you do it with your heart, it gives a very beautiful effect. And the best part is you will enjoy your creativity. Right? So girls, complete this work and we will see your assignments later. Complete the sunflower. Now what I wanted to also tell you, the girls who really want to create, after completing this, maybe you could take another sheet and make a big sunflower here with a blue background, or you could do as you wish, right? If you wish, I'll just continue with making one greenly petal for the girls who would be using color pencils. Your basic yellow, we will give a basic yellow which will go till your stem, then your green, we're giving a little bit of strokes which we have already learned how to draw and color. Yes, many students gave the feedback that really enjoyed that class. And then your green, yes, green color, darker green. So basically the leaf will show green only, but hidden would be the yellow, the light green, which will make it look a little bit of a natural. And then with the green only, we can give a outline to it. Yes? So I hope you enjoyed your class. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy yourself and complete this work. See you.